Hi, Peanut. Are you playing? Playing in your jumperoo? Hi. What a big girl. Look at those feet jumping. Jump. Jump. Come on. Where's the pretty baby in the mirror? Where's the pretty baby? Alright, Mommy's gonna move. Then you'll play again. There you go. Oh, you found me! Peekaboo! It's okay, you can play. I'm not going anywhere. Play. Hey, play. Play. Daddy tripped.
No, I didn't trip. I almost crushed that thing. I don't know what I was crushing there for a second. I was like...